Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Jeanette and for this video I'm actually going to show you how to make a sugar scrub. This sugar scrub is amazing for any time of the year, but I think during these colder months it's super beneficial. I don't know about anyone else. My skin dries out intensely, especially my hands dry out a lot. So this works wonders, and the best thing, it's made at home, so you know what you're putting in it. My mom was actually the one that taught me how to make this ages ago, a long time ago, and I still use it all the time. I use it to exfoliate my face once in a while, my lips, and my hands, especially during this time of the year. So I hope you stay tuned and keep on watching so you can make your own sugar scrub at home. So for the sugar scrub, you will need an empty container. This one I believe used to have lotion in it. And what I do like about it, it's a glass jar so I can see when I'm running out. This lasts a long time. It seems small, but it lasts me a very long time. I use it for my face, my lips, and my hands. You will need some brown sugar. You could also replace this with white sugar if you would like. Some honey, a half lime, and a spoon just to mix everything together. Depending on how big of a batch you want to make is really going to determine how much of the ingredients you're really going to need. Since this is a smaller batch, I did about 2.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, which is your exfoliant in this case, about 1.5 tablespoons of honey, which is going to provide you that soft feel on your skin. I want to mix these two ingredients together before I add the lime. It should be of a thicker consistency at this point, and once you add the lime, it should give it that smooth texture, and also the lime helps with any dark spots you may have. Since this body scrub is an exfoliant, I do suggest you only use it about once a week or once every 2 weeks. It really depends on how sensitive your skin is. For me, I usually tend to start using it when I start seeing my skin looking a little dry. And as you can tell, I did apply some water on my hand before applying the sugar scrub. I do like to do this before I add the scrub just so it could go on smoother. When scrubbing, you also don't want to be super rough on your skin since you don't want to damage your skin in any sort of way. If you have had your sugar scrub stored for a while and you do notice it's a little bit on the thicker side, you can easily fix this by applying a little bit more lime to it and mixing it up, and it should go right back to its smooth consistency. After you're done exfoliating, one of the most important things you want to do is to moisturize your skin with your favorite lotion. And thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you do make it at home and you love this little DIY. Hopefully your skin enjoys it too. Until next time, bye.